In this video, we see 6 potential views of SharePoint list. Embedded onto a SharePoint page, we'll start at the top and work our way to the bottom. First up is an app built in Power Apps. Next are 2 views of the same data where the fields are shaded on the left and then grouped by data on the right. Next, a gallery view. Last, we see the same data shaded but in 3 individual views. Let's move up the page to look at the grouped view. The view is collapsed, so all we have to do is click the greater than symbol to expand CD, GL, and TR. Last but not least, let's get into the app. First up, we notice that there are 3 buttons on the top: Conveyance, CD, Glades, GL, and Treatment, TR. By default, conveyance records are displayed first. To see all records associated with a particular package number, scroll down to the number you want to view, then click the next icon. In the dialog, you will see all associated records to the package number. The process is the same when looking at conveyance, Glades records, and treatment records. If there are no records associated with the package number, no records will appear. Here is the whole process of finding associated records again. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.